And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can create an easy paper fold overlay. It's inbuilt in CapCut. We'll just use the default layout. You'll find it under Effects. Over the drop down for video effects. And currently you'll just have to scroll down to find the texture category right here. And there are actually a couple of folds. I believe it's 5 in total right now. You can hover over them, left click, and you will see it in the preview window. If you like one, just click on the download icon, and afterwards you will find a plus icon. If you left click on it, you'll have this element now in the timeline, and you can adjust it. At first, left click and drag on the corners to make it longer or shorter. And if you've got it selected in the timeline, you can also adjust the texture with a slider, which is basically the overlay strength or the opacity. You can combine them, so let me add another fold. I download it, plus sign, and I put it in video channel 2, or in this case overlay channel 2, it's video channel 3. I'll adjust it. Here's it as a solo overlay, and now let me bring back the first one, and now we've got them both combined. And this is how easy it is to add such a paper overlay in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.